Good morning, 6th class. Today we are going to start lesson number 16, and that is air around us. And in this lesson we will study about air, its composition, the atmosphere. As we know that we can't live without air. For a few days we can live without water, without food, but air is something we can't live without. And we cannot see air, we cannot taste it, but we can feel it. And the blanket of air that surrounds the earth, that we call as the atmosphere. So we can define the atmosphere as the blanket of air that surrounds the earth. We live on earth, and this is a thick layer which we call the atmosphere. It extends to several kilometers above the earth's surface, and as we go high up in the atmosphere, the amount of air it becomes lesser and lesser. And when we talk about the composition of air, then it consists of different gases: oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and noble gases. And when we talk about the earth system, so dear student, the earth system is categorized, or maybe we can say it is divided into different spheres. Total earth is known as a biosphere because life exists on earth. So we can divide it in three main parts: atmosphere, gasosphere, and hydrosphere. So atmosphere, as I told you, that atmosphere is the blanket of air that surrounds the earth. Gasosphere, the different gases, and hydrosphere, the water content, the water proportion of the earth is known as the hydrosphere. As the word hydro is included, so we can say that it consists of, it signifies the water part of the earth. So if we have a look at the composition of air, I told you that air consists of different gases in different proportion. For example, nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, and other different gases and 1%. Also, it has greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, water vapor, methane, etc. So this is the composition. You can see in this diagram the composition of different gases on the earth. Nitrogen is present approximately 78.08, oxygen 20.95, so we call them 79% and this 21%, and all different gases like carbon dioxide 0.035, neon, helium, methane, krypton, nitrous oxide, hydrogen, and ozone. All these gases, they are known as the different gases which are in very small minute quantities, which we call as the noble gases. So we have different layers in our atmosphere: the troposphere, the stratosphere, mesosphere, and the thermosphere. So atmosphere, it consists of these four layers. It is the composition of the atmosphere, and as the atmosphere, it extends up to several kilometers of the earth's surface, and as we go up in the atmosphere, the amount of air, it becomes lesser and lesser. So let us have a look at the different layers of the atmosphere. If we talk about the troposphere, the bottom layer of the atmosphere, it is the bottom layer of the atmosphere, and it stretches to about 11 kilometers from the earth, and temperature decreases with altitude. As we go high, the temperature keeps on decreasing. Where weather conditions happen in this layer, the weather conditions happen which we face, the weather conditions with vertical air currents that are turbulent and contains 75% of the air, and the gases which it contain are the nitrogen and oxygen. Next is the stratosphere. It is the second layer of the atmosphere, and it extends up to 50 kilometers with horizontal air currents. The movement of air current is horizontal. Temperature increases with altitude. You have to read this, you have to remember this. In that troposphere temperature decreased, but here temperature increases with altitude, and it contains the ozone layer in the upper zone, whereas most jet planes travel in this region. It contains 24% of the air. Jet planes, they move in stratosphere. You have to remember this. Then comes the mesosphere, the third layer of atmosphere, and it extends up to 80 kilometer, and here also temperature decreases with altitude, just like it was in the case of troposphere, and it is the coldest layer. You should remember which is the coldest layer, the mesosphere, where most meteors burn up. Mesosphere, most of the meteors, they burn up in which layer of atmosphere? In the mesosphere. So you should remember these facts about the spheres. Next is the last one, the thermosphere or the ionosphere. It is the fourth layer of the atmosphere, and it extends to about 1000 kilometers, and it is the hottest layers. And why it is the hottest? Due to ions, H plus ions and helium ions, that directly absorb the sun's radiation. That is why it is hottest layer. Next, temperature increases with altitude. So you have to remember in which spheres temperature decreases and in which spheres temperature increases.